Hi everybody, it's 11:30 on Friday the 7th of June, and back in Just Jane for some more wiring madness. So without further ado, let's get on with it, shall we? Okay, first thing, we've got another school visit in today, so it might get a bit rowdy in places. Just looking at the fittings, to start with, we need a bulb to go in there, and where is it? And I've just taken this one apart here, and there's this bit, so it seems to be okay, but half the light fitting's missing out of here. There's no bulb holder, so I've got to source one of those. We're about to have someone in stores, and then I can crack on. And apart from that, we're cracking on. I'll just get my tools out of the way. Oh, put them down there, and I'll just bung that down. I'll just drop this panel, show you what I've done so far. Right, so far in the back here, excuse the wiring mess, I know it's a terrible, this is stuff that these two lines here refer to these two here, which are going into this at some point. If they want it, that can go into there, but we don't need it at the moment. So what we're dealing with is this little nest of wires here. Covers, one goes in there and the other one is here, and they refer to the angle poise there and this lamp here. So what I'm going to do now is, now I'm going to be fitted. I've sorted out this top block here, and it's going to be, I think, possibly those two. I think I've got two lines going to the nav's desk, but I don't know. I'm going to check that shortly. But first thing I'm going to do is, let's get this back up here. I'm going to get some bulbs for the fittings. So I shall be back for shortly. Ta-ta for now. Okay, as we appear to have oodles of spares, I've been able to do a repair on that one, and it's all wired in and it's on the meter. So if I just a little knob there, talking anyway, we should there we go, that one works. And for the next one, hang on one. Right, so this time we're doing this one, and the adjuster for this is down there. So once again, and I've connected it to the wrong one. Hang on a moment. Well, let's try again then, shall we? Okay, if I reach across. Yeah, so that's worked. So I know all the wires here work. We just disconnect this and put it out of the way. Bring them on the floor underneath me. There we go. And let's just get this one back down. So what we're going to be doing now is I'm going to disconnect those two, because that's going to be my positive and negative. Yeah, they are all going to there. Now I'm going to take a power supply up and across. So yeah, so that will be possibly Monday's job, because I'm just about done for today. So we'll see you again sometime. Yeah, bye for now. Okay, so we're still here behind the nav's panel. Let me just get a torch, let me shine things about. Okay, as is lots of wires or connections over there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to depopulate it, because everything there is going forward. There's one or two that disappear under the table. Then I can find out where the wires go to, because before I really disconnect anything, I need to know where they're going to. Most of those I would imagine go nowhere. But then again, you know, we've got no wiring diagrams, so we really don't know. So I'm hazarding a guess most of the time. So anyway, so I'll continue depopulating those. So this panel will take a little bit longer than I thought, because I've got to sort that tag board out. But I shall wrap these individually and stow them out the way, so that they're insulated until I actually find out where they go, which yeah, could be a long old time. Anyway, we'll crack on, and it's nearly tea break this afternoon, and then that'll be the day over with. I do have a little something coming up this weekend, if I'm in a fit state after tonight. But it's acoustic night tonight, and I might have that sounds like an engine man putting exhaust tubs on. Yeah, so I might just have a drinky or two tonight. So anyway, from the nav station in Just Jane, I'll say farewell for now, and keep an eye open, because there could be something, I could be doing something different in the workshop over the weekend. So goodbye for now, and we'll see you again soonish.